Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you on a 360-degree walk around and interior video of this absolutely gorgeous approved used Audi A3 Sportback Sport with a 30 TDI 116 PS engine and S-tronic gearbox. This approved used Audi comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT cover and 1 year roadside assistance, and if you're interested in this beautiful car, please contact us on 01772 911 340. This A3 has LED headlights with LED daytime running lights for high quality illumination of the road ahead in all sorts of road conditions, and we have the absolutely gorgeous black honeycomb style radiator grille, making for a stylish finish to this front end. And here we have the absolutely gorgeous optional 17-inch 5W spoke style alloy wheels, which look absolutely superb and complement the sleek and sporty finish of this A3 really nicely. Even further complementing those looks is the aluminium window trim. And moving into the rear interior of the car, you'll be able to see the rear seats, which are finished in the gorgeous black twin leather, which look absolutely superb, but are also really comfortable and supportive as well. And they feature ISOFIX mounting points to safely secure child seats, and the rear air vents mean your rear passengers can stay at a comfortable temperature too. Moving round to the back of this A3, the sleek and sporty looks continue with the rear roof spoiler, as well as the rear diffuser as well. And moving on to the boot of this car, as you can see, it's relatively large and spacious, with 380 litres of capacity, plenty of space for your shopping, any suitcases, or perhaps even golf clubs as well, and you can individually fold down the rear seats as well for even more space if you need. This approved used Audi has one previous owner and a full service history, and personally I think it looks absolutely stunning in the metallic floret silver paint finish. Moving into the front interior of the car, you'll be able to see the dashboard, which is finished with platinum grey silk effect paint finish inlays, with aluminium trim and piano black accents, which really refine the look of this interior. And here we have the front seats, finished in the same gorgeous black twin leather as the rear, and yet again, not only do they just look great, they're comfortable and supportive as well, with those side bolsters really keeping you in place. That concludes this 360-degree walk-around section of this absolutely gorgeous approved used Audi A3 Sportback Sport, finished in metallic floret silver. I'm now going to go into more detail on the technology and controls on offer within this gorgeous car. Here we have the controls for the folding, heated and electrically adjustable door mirrors, and here we have the controls for the LED headlights as well. This is the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel finished in black leather, and these buttons on the left and the right mean you can easily take a phone call without having to take your hands off of the wheel. These are the paddle gear shifters, which allow for a more involving driving experience if you wish, and this is the cruise control, which helps make those longer motorway journeys that bit easier. This is the Audi virtual cockpit display, where you can choose the display of your preference using the buttons shown before, perfect for finding journey information such as your miles per gallon whilst you're on the go. And now moving to our left, we have the 10.1-inch Full HD touchscreen display, where you can access satellite navigation to help guide you to your destination. We also have DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations in high quality. We have external media connectivity, so you can listen to your favourite content from your phone, for example. And we have telephone connectivity, so you can easily take calls on the go, just like I mentioned before. There's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to make the most of apps optimised for use in the car. And we have the Audi Drive Select menu, so you can choose your favourite driving profile. Personally, my favourite is Dynamic, as it offers the most engaging driving experience. Just below that, we have the controls for the dual zone climate control, which are easy to use and allow you and your front passenger to find a perfect temperature for yourselves individually. Moving down to the centre console, we have the slick S-tronic gear shifter, a couple of cup holders, and underneath the central armrest there is plenty of storage as well. There's also the Audi Presense front for extra safety and peace of mind on every single journey you take, and the rear parking sensors, which help to make parking an absolute breeze. That concludes this 360-degree walk around and interior video of this absolutely gorgeous approved used Audi A3 Sportback Sport, finished in metallic floret silver. If you would like to book a viewing, a test drive, or arrange for a personalised finance quote, please give Preston Audi a call on 01772 911 340. Thank you for watching this video.